Amazing facts. You probably know about a lot of record breakers in the world. There's the fastest runner in the world, Usain Bolt. What about the fastest swimmer, Michael Phelps? He's got the record for winning the most gold medals in a single Olympic Games. And in every race he won, he broke a record. Let's take a look at some amazing records people have got that you might not know about. The women of the Paduang tribe in Thailand have the longest necks in the world. They wear copper neck rings that make their necks longer. Some women's necks can be up to 40 centimeters long. Pygmies are the shortest people in the world. The average pygmy man is less than 150 centimeters tall. The pygmies of Central Africa are also famous for their vocal music. Okinawans are the healthiest people in the world. They have an excellent diet. They eat lots of vegetables, and they especially enjoy the Okinawan sweet potato. They also live a very long time. Are there any people in your country famous for their amazing records? What record would you like to hold?